Hi, very good afternoon. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in Dodbalapura. There is a farmland for sale on the main road, directly on the main road, and frontage is 380 feet from here till there. I'll show you. I'll walk and show till end. So this is gate number one gate. There you have second gate and then third gate. So distance wise, exactly it is 17 kilometers from Dodbalapura and just 4 kilometers from NH 648 and just 10 kilometers from which is upcoming STRR, you can tell, satellite ring road, which is very big advantage that it connects all over Bangalore very easily. IRR will be connecting all over Bangalore. So from STRR you can pass through IRR. So it is just 10 kilometers and Dodbalapur 17 kilometers. So land starts from here. So it is directly on the main road. So land starts from here. The stone which you see, this is where the land starts. Directly on the main road it is 380 feet. So it is having like 4 poultry sheds which can accommodate almost 22,000 birds. Then one farmhouse, labor quarters, then 2 borewells. House is 3 BHK, very newly built. Then you have 400 silver wood trees. This is all land which is continuing. And mango trees and few other trees are there. Land dimension I'll show in map, and I'll show you the layout. So this is main gate, that is second gate, and after this you have third gate. There it will come. I'll show you from inside, or else let's have a look. So this is the end of fencing, and this is the third gate. So this is third gate, and facing is northeast. Northeast, you can see west. It is sun setting is there. So this is the 3 BHK house. So let's go inside and have a look. So this is the house. It is built on 1,600 square feet, 3 BHK, semi-furnished. So let's go inside and have a look. So this is the poultry shed. This is shed number 1. Length is 285 feet and depth which is 35 feet. You have total 4 similar. One is little bit small. So this is the third gate, and this is the house. This is shed number 1, shed number 2, shed number 3 and shed number 4. There you have. And these are the trees. Silver oak trees. Total 400 trees are there. And this is the boundary. Here you have water tanks. There are 2 borewells. Ample water is there. So this is shed number 2. Same dimensions, 285 by 35. And this is third shed. Even here you have water tanks. So this is a chicken feeds room. Similar, that is the fourth shed. Till here it is. So this is end of land this side. From main road till here it must be around 260 feet. I'll show you the map. You can have a look. The same boundary continues. As you can see here, stone is there. This is the stone here. It continues till there. It is something around 300 or something. I'll show you in the drawing. So this side you have another 5 acres. If you need, you can extend, because there is no access for this property. So if you are willing to extend, easily you can extend the property. This is the surroundings. So easily this can be rented out to big companies like Sugna and different companies, so that you get good rental from here. So this is the labor's house. And here you have a small tank, and here 3 toilets. So here you have 30 kVA power supply. Thirty kV. See, this is mango tree. So here you have a custard apple tree. It has been grown. Very sweet it is. And this is the mango tree. And we have come back to the third gate. Sorry, this is the first gate where we had started the video. And here you have one generator room. So I told in the starting that first four poultry sheds. So first poultry shed is smaller. There you can see. I was a bit confused. So that is the first poultry shed, which is smaller. This is second, third, and fourth is the last one. The rest all are 285 by 35. That first one is a bit smaller. So for more details, you can go through the description right below the video. And to get details on your WhatsApp, you can send the code. Thank you.